Good morning, students. Hope you all are doing well. Today, we are going to learn a grammar topic which is articles. You all have learned articles in your grade 3 also. Today, we are going to learn articles in detail. So, a, an, and the are called articles. Articles are used with nouns. We divide articles in two categories. Indefinite articles are a, an, and definite article is the. Let's see how do we use these articles. Students, you all know that in English alphabet we have 26 letters, out of which 5 letters A, E, I, O, U are vowels and rest of the letters are consonants. B, C, D, F, G, etc. are the consonants. We use indefinite article a before consonants. The words, the nouns which are starting with consonant alphabet, we use a before these words. For example, a bicycle, which means one bicycle. So, a means one year. Let's see more examples. A teacher, a computer, a ball. You can see that in these nouns, the first letter is consonant. So that is why we are using a before these nouns. Please note down that article a is used not only with consonants but also consonant sounds. You can see examples. A 1 rupee note. You can see that 1 is starting with O, but the sound of O is V here. A 1 rupee note. So that is why we are using a here. A university. University is also starting with U, but the sound is consonant sound. Y. University. Same way, a uniform, a European. Though all these nouns are starting with vowels, but the sound here is consonant sound. That's why we are using article a here. Now comes an. An also means one, but we use an before vowels. See the example. An elephant. It means one elephant. An elephant is starting with vowel. See more examples. An eraser, an apple, an Indian. So all these nouns are starting with vowels. So that is why we have used an before these nouns. You have to note down that we use an with not only vowels but also vowel sounds. See the examples here. An hour, an honest man. In these two examples, the noun is starting with H and H is a consonant. But the sound of these nouns are starting with vowel sound. You can say an hour, an honest man. So we use an with not only vowels but also vowel sound. See these more examples. A girl, an egg, an actor, an airplane, a house, a dog. Students, you must have noticed that here before house we have used a, because here the house starting with H and the sound of her is also consonant. So it is a house. That is why we have used a here. Next comes definite article. And the is the definite article. We use the with the following. We have already spoken about the person or thing. So we use the when we have already spoken about thing or persons. See the examples. He showed me a box. The box was full of toys. In this example, in first sentence we introduce box, and in second sentence we are talking about the same box. So that is why in second sentence we have used the, because we have already spoken about the box in first sentence. We use the before superlative degree also. See the example. He is the best student in the class. So best is a superlative degree of good. So we have used the before this. Next example is, this is the most beautiful flower I have ever seen. In this also, most beautiful is the superlative degree of beautiful. So we used the here. We use before the names of river, seas, oceans and mountain ranges also. The Kaveri, the Indian Ocean, the Himalayas. So these are the examples. We use the before the names of well-known buildings. The Gateway of India, the White House are the examples. We use before names of holy books, newspapers, for example, the Gita, the Ramayana, the Indian Express, etc. are the examples of holy books and newspapers. Before names of trains, ships, and aeroplanes. See the example. The Rajdhani Express, the Akbar. The Akbar here is the name of a ship, not the person. We also use before names of communities. The Sikh, the English. These are the examples of communities. Before names of heavenly bodies. For example, the sun, the moon, the sky, etc. are the example of heavenly bodies. Students, we use definite articles with singular nouns. See the example. The snake is dangerous. The bicycle is yellow. And we also use definite article with plural nouns. The examples are, the apples are delicious. The books are important. Now, you must have understood what are articles and how do we use these articles. Now, one more important thing is here where we are not using these articles. So, note down that a an is not used with plural nouns because the meaning of a and an is one. So, we always use a an with singular nouns. We don't use a and with uncountable nouns. For example, we don't say a water or a beauty. A water. Next, we don't use with proper nouns. We cannot say a Rahul. Right? So Rahul is a proper name, proper noun, and we cannot use a and before proper nouns. Now, the is not used with names of the days and months, before abstract nouns, before the names of meals, before the names of games. For example, we cannot say the Monday or the January, the February. So we don't use the before days and months. Abstract noun, we cannot say the love, right? Then meals and games, we don't use the with these nouns also. So that's all, students. I hope you have understood the articles where we have to use and where we do not use these articles. Thank you so much. Have a good day.